Howdy everyone, I'm Amit from Mail Smartly. Have you ever encountered while creating an email, you are facing few spelling mistakes issues and grammar mistakes issues? Although Microsoft Outlook consists of inbuilt spelling checker tool which will help you to improve your spelling mistakes, but there is one global tool which will help you to improve your spelling as well as grammar mistakes, which is Grammarly. So in this video, you will learn step by step method how you can add Grammarly in Outlook. But before that, you have to understand what is Grammarly. Grammarly is an online writing assistance tool that help user improve their grammar, spelling, punctuations, style, and overall writing clarity. So I have created a new email and I type, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Mail Smartly. So in this small content, I intentionally type the spelling of channel wrong. So if you can see, there is a small red color zigzag line below the word. So what I have to do, I have to simply go to this word, click my mouse right button, and you will see few suggestions here, which is inbuilt feature. But in this sentence or in this line, the natural spelling will be detected, which is written wrong. But Grammarly can overall check out the grammar and spelling as well. So first of all, I will show you step-by-step method how you can add Grammarly in your system. So for that, you have to click on the browser. You have to type Grammarly, hit enter. Google give you some suggestions, but the Grammarly always come on the top. Click on this Grammarly. Now, you have to first log in here. If you don't have the account, you have to get Grammarly, it's free. You have to create a new account. You have to sign up from here. So I already added my account here. So I use this get Grammarly, it's free. Now, it will asking me to sign up here, or if I already have few accounts here, I can use this section. Sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, and sign up with Apple. So I use this sign up with Google. So all my accounts which are added in Google are appears. I use my personal email address to sign up with Grammarly. It will take few seconds and boom, I have already in the Grammarly. So if you see, this is your dashboard. So you have to click apps on the left navigation section. When I click on it, you will see four options: Grammarly for Windows, Grammarly for Chrome, and Grammarly for iPhone and iPad, and Grammarly for Android. You can use these four segments and add Grammarly for free. So I use Grammarly for Windows. Grammarly for Windows is the one-stop solution to get writing suggestions across the wide array of desktop applications and website. Although all the Microsoft Office platforms or applications are considered in a desktop applications. So your Microsoft Outlook is also the part of Office. So all you have to do is to simply hit install here. I have already installed, so this is active in my case, but in your case, you will see this install button over here. So again, to show you, I reinstall it. So it's my Grammarly is installed in a second. Click on it and it will take again a second or two to run the file. The file is already installed here. Sign up with my email address, continue with Grammarly, open Grammarly, again open Grammarly. You have to follow all these steps to finally activate it. See, my Grammarly is activated. Now again go to your Microsoft Outlook, and what I have created a new email here. See, a small logo of Grammarly appears, which is still showing two suggestions. First suggestion is obviously the spelling. When I hover my mouse on this word, it will automatically correct the spelling with channel, add to dictionary, dismiss, see more in Grammarly. When I click on here, the spelling automatically changes. See, there is another suggestion. When I hover my mouse on my, Grammarly is asking me to change the preposition. That means please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Mail Smartly, which is slightly correct. So it will also give me few suggestions, not only the spellings, but how to correct the grammar of your sentence. That way you can very easily use this Grammarly in Microsoft Outlook. Not only that, you can use this feature in all the Office applications. Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Excel as well. When I click mouse right button, it will give me few another options here. Turn off suggestions in Microsoft Outlook, turn off suggestion in Microsoft Outlook for 1 hour, some settings, give feedback, and quit Grammarly. Most of the cases when user are working on a very important assignment, he wants to turn off the Grammarly for 1 hour. You can use this feature, which is very beautiful. And Grammarly also come with the premium version, which open gates of additional features of Grammarly for you. But most of the users, including me, use Grammarly for free. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe this YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.